Hello viewers, today we will discuss about prepositions and its uses. So let's start. Prepositions are very important structural words in English. Structural words are words that help in building the grammatical structure of the sentence. A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun and indicates the connection between two or more words. A preposition is followed by a noun. It is never followed by a verb. If we want a preposition to be followed by a verb, we must use the ing form, which is usually a gerund or a verb in noun form. एक प्रीपोजिशन नाउन के आगे बैठता है, कभी भी वर्ब के आगे नहीं बैठता है. अगर वर्ब के आगे बैठाना है तो ing फॉर्म यूज़ करके, यूजुअली जिरान फॉर्म यूज़ करके, मतलब नाउन फॉर्म करके उसको हम लोगों को बैठाना है. Here are some examples. Here are some rules regarding the positions of prepositions. When object of the preposition is an interrogative pronoun like what, who, whom, which, where, etc., the preposition takes end position. Examples like what are you thinking of, who are you talking to. When object of the preposition is a relative pronoun that, the preposition takes end position. Here is the magazine that you asked for. This is the dish she is fond of. When object of the preposition is infinitive, to plus verb, the preposition is placed after infinitive. This is a good hotel to stay at. I need a pencil to write with. Here are some rules. Remember it. Now here we will discuss three prepositions and its uses. So let's start. At is used when a precise time is to be denoted. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. The shop closes at midnight. Richa went home at lunchtime. Number 2. At is used to mean to indicate a particular point, meeting, place, etc. The ball is at the center of the circle. I will meet you at the shop. Number 3. At is used for small place, town, etc., while in for big place, town, city, country, etc. He lives at Alwar in Rajasthan. A temple is situated at Madurai in Chennai. छोटे जगह पर at, बड़े जगह पर in. In is used for months, years, centuries and long periods. Like we are going to Mumbai in September. In 1947, India got freedom. Number 2. In is used for an enclosed space, location of a thing or a person inside a limited area, room, building or country. We are in the house. Do you work in a company? Now here we will discuss the use of on. On is used for days and dates. Examples like where will you be on Independence Day? Do you work on Sundays? Her birthday is on 26th April. Number 2. On is used for a point on a line or surface, public transport, etc. The box is on the way. The box is on the table. Like this sentence, कोई भी सरफेस के ऊपर रहेगा कोई भी चीज़ तो उसमें सरफेस के कुछ भी सरफेस के ऊपर रहेगा तो उसको हम लोग ऑन से इंडिकेट करेंगे, ऑन प्रीपोजिशन बैठाएंगे वहाँ पर. Here we can see the summary, the use of in, parts of days, months, years, on holidays with day, days on week, at holidays without day, like Easter, New Year. Time noon, midnight. Preposition of place: at 734 street, at corner, at the bus stop, like this. Preposition of in England, in London, Chinatown, traffic jam, in a boat, on a bus, on a horse, on the radio, on a wall, on the menu. Here are some examples with sentence given, so read them carefully. Here are also, hope it will help you. Some worksheet given to solve you, so hope you will like it. Send your answer in a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like the video, then like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.